Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and let's get into the video. So first of all, happy Holi to everyone and enjoy your day. So now let's get into the video. So you can clearly see here that Bank Nifty opens gap up on Monday, and after that it continuously trades above that 41,600 level, but it could not sustain there, and at the end it trades around that 41,350 level. So as of now it looks negative to me, because from previous candle you can clearly see that it continuously shows selling pressure from that 42,000 level to 39,500 level. So on Monday it also shows kind of negative movement from that higher side. So if on Wednesday it opens gap down and trades below 41,300 or 400, then after that you can show take trade for selling, and target will be around 41,000 to 40,800 level. But if it opens a gap up and trades above 14,500 or 600, then after that you can expect any kind of buying pressure here. But for now, let's look into 15-minute candle for taking any kind of trade. So in 15-minute candle you can clearly see here that market opens gap up, and in the first 1 hour it continuously goes upwards, and after that it continuously hit resistance from that level and it goes up sideways to and downwards movement. So my suggestion would be, as I said, if it opens flat and trades below 41,300 level and 250 level, then you can expect some selling pressure here, and target will be around 41,000 level to 40,800 level. But if it opens a gap up and if it trades above 14,600 or 550, and after that it shows any kind of positive movement, and then you can take trade for buying, and target will be around 41,800 to 42,000 round level. And that's all about Bank Nifty. Now let's look into Nifty in 1 day candle chart. So in Nifty it also made kind of shooting star here, and you can clearly see here that it made high around that 70,800 level, but it could not sustain there. So my suggestion would be, if on Wednesday if it opens gap down and if it trades below 70,700 or 650 and shows any kind of negative movement, then you can take trade for selling, and target will be around 7,600 to 7,550. But if it opens gap up or if it trades above 7,750, then you can take trade for buying. Let's look into 15-minute candle for taking any kind of trade. So in 15-minute candle you can clearly see here that it opens gap up around that 70,700 level and continuously took trade for buying, and after that it continuously hit resistance from that 7,800 level and it moved low around 7,720. But one thing you can clearly notice here that it could not break that opening price, which is 7,680. So as for now it looks positive to me. If it opens gap up and if it trades above 7,750, then you can take trade for buying, and target will be around 7,800 to 7,950. But if it opens gap down and if it trades below 7,650 and after that it shows any kind of negative movement, then you can take trade for selling, and target will be around 7,540 to 7,480. That's all about Bank Nifty and Nifty. And if you wanted to take trade in Bank Nifty options, then you need to look into Bank Nifty components, which is those 6 components: HDFC Bank, ICICI, SBI, Kotak, Axis Bank and Indian Bank. If you look into these components during market hours, then it will going to help you to take trade in Bank Nifty options. And that's all about today, guys. If you like my video, please share it and subscribe my channel, and let's meet on another video.